Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to import the CSV in the MySQL using the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let's create the directory. So go to the terminal. First of all, create the directory, then go to that directory. Then initialize the packet.json with the npm init y. Okay, so it's created. Now we have to install the required packages, that is the express multer ecs csv-parser and the MySQL too. So install all these packages. After this we have to create the folder structure with the views. So let's open it with the code base like this, and let's create the folder. Let's create the folder like this, views, and let's put the index.egs file. So here we have the index.egs. After this we have uploads directory, so let's create folder with uploads. Now the main root file, that is app.js file. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new folder with, sorry, not new folder, it's a file, app.js. Okay, and here we have the app.js file data. So let's add this to app.js file, and now we have this html index.egs file, views index.egs. Let's add it. Now we have to create the csv file like this. So I'm going to create here html projects, I think, node.js. So here I'm going to create a new file, open in a terminal is already open, so let's just add touch users dot csv, and here we are going to create the users dot csv file, sublime. Now I'm going to add the data over there, save this. Okay, now we have to create the table with like this, just so now we have to create the table of the users. So first of all we have to check which database we are going to use it. So in the configurations, which test db I'm using, so let's open the localhost php myadminer or php myadmin. So here we have the root, the password, just log in and check the test db is there. It's not there, then create the database with test db and save this. Okay, now we have to create the table into that database, so let's create that one. So SQL command, let's paste it and let's save it, and now the users is created, table is created. Now I'm going to import this csv file. Let's run the project. So I think the project is already here, then node app.js, and something error happening. Okay, the database connectivity we haven't done. So the localhost, the root is there, the password is I hope so it will work. Let's run it. Now it's running. Let's open this project, and we have to select the files csv, right? Please select the file over there, and it's in the html. We have a node.js, which is the name of this project, csv. So let's check the csv, where it is. CSV, I need to find out. Isn't the, oh sorry, it's in documents coming. So Node.js, why it's giving me like this? Control L. Okay, we can select it from like HTML, Node.js, but I think it is coming up with the next. I think the projects HTML, then we go with our Node.js, then CSV, but here we have the CSV file, right? It's in the Node.js. Okay, so let's go back, and this is the file. And now here you can see that now go with upload, two rows inserted. I think we have a two rows, right? If I just select the data and the two rows are inserted, and what the data that we have written out, that is the John Doe and the James Smith. So it is added right with the age. Okay, so this is how we have done the import part, right? So let's take a look how we have done this. Okay, so first of all, we have you some of the packages we have installed, that is Express, Malta, csv-parser, MySQL too, right? So hey, MySQL connection that we have to establish. Okay, if there is a error, then it will go with the throw the error like whatever we have facing right now, like access denied for the user. Okay, now set the EGS template with the help of the view engine EGS. Okay, now set the static folder with the help of public file upload config. So where we have the destination, that is uploads. Okay, so root index, we are going to render the index file. Okay, so the index EGS is this one, upload CSV to the import users, and here we have form action with the input and the button upload. Okay, and the method is slash upload and the post method. So here we have the post method, right? Upload. Okay, so here we have the single file I'm going to upload, that is the file name would be the CSV file, and here it is say that the name is CSV file. Okay, so that's why CSV file. Now we are going to create a read stream, okay, for reading the CSV. Okay, so here we are just reading the CSV, and whatever data we are getting here, we are going to push the data into the results. Okay, so all the data should be pushed into the results array, right? After that, when it's on end, so we are going to insert that query. Okay, and here you can see that the values we are mapping row and insert that one, this one. Okay, so this is the SQL query, and this is the values we are getting. Okay, insert query and the values, and when we have to execute the query, then db dot query insert query, insert into where and what are the values. Okay, and after this, if there is an error, then error into insert to the database, otherwise it will show me that the rows inserted successfully, and this is the app listen, right? So this is how you are able to import the CSV into the database using the MySQL. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.